Have you ever wondered what a professional detailer's day looks like? Today I'll take you through a typical day at Hadrian's Vehicle Services. I'm James. The morning setup. I usually start at around about 7 a.m. The first thing is check the schedule, what's booked in, what cars are coming, then prep the unit. Fresh water, clean towels, buckets ready, products stocked. If there's a car from yesterday's ceramic coating, I'll check the curing and do a final inspection of that paintwork. Next is the first job. The first car of the day might be a mobile valet. I'll load the van and head out. Or it's a car being dropped off for paint correction, so I'll get that started on the prep wash. Every day is different, and that's the part I love about the job. Now, the work itself, detailing is physical, hours on your feet, bending, reaching, polishing. It's detailed, literally. You're looking at every inch of the paintwork, every seam in the interior. It's rewarding seeing a dull car transform into something that looks showroom new. That never gets old, to be honest. The challenges, weather can be tricky for mobile work, rain delays can happen. Some cars are harder than others, heavily contaminated vehicles, neglected interiors, damaged paint. They all need extra care. Time management is constant. Quality takes time, but customers want their cars back at the end of the day. Now, what I enjoy, honestly, I do love cars. Always have, and being able to work with them every day, beautiful vehicles like your own, and to make them look their best. It's a privilege, to be honest, and the customer reactions as well. When someone sees their car after correction and coating, their face lights up, and that's the payoff. Now, at the end of the day is the cleanup, the prep for tomorrow, respond to inquiries. Sometimes I'm here until 7 or 8 if there's a big job. It's hard work, but it's the work I absolutely love. Now, that's a glimpse into what we do. If you want your car treated with care by people who generally love this work, that is us at Hadrian's Vehicle Services. I'm James from Hadrian's, and thanks for watching.